And now ISRO has also updated on its social media platform that the docking procedure has been very, very successful. It's a historic milestone for India as well.
Range is ready for PSLV C-60 SPADEX launch.
ये अंतरिक्ष से खबर है। भारत ने अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्र में एक और ऐतिहासिक उपलब्धि हासिल की है। भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संगठन यानी इसरो ने स्पेडेक्स मिशन में सफलतापूर्वक डॉकिंग कर ली है। यह मिशन भारत को अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्र में और मजबूती प्रदान करेगा। आपको बता दें कि भारत ने अंतरिक्ष विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में एक और मील का पत्थर स्थापित किया है। इसरो के स्पेडेक्स मिशन ने अंतरिक्ष में 2 उपग्रहों की सफलतापूर्वक डॉकिंग करके एक ऐतिहासिक उपलब्धि हासिल की है। स्पेडेक्स मिशन को 30 दिसंबर को PSLV C-60 रॉकेट के माध्यम से आंध्र प्रदेश के श्रीहरिकोटा से प्रक्षेपित किया गया था और इस मिशन में 2 उपग्रहों को 475 किलोमीटर की सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट में स्थापित किया गया था। यह मिशन भारत का अंतरिक्ष में डॉकिंग का पहला प्रयास था जो पूरी तरह स्वदेशी तकनीक पर आधारित था। तो एक बड़ी उपलब्धि है ये। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने भी इस पर प्रतिक्रिया दी है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने इसरो की सफलता पर सोशल मीडिया पर बधाई दी है। उन्होंने लिखा कि उपग्रहों के अंतरिक्ष डॉकिंग के सफल प्रदर्शन के लिए इसरो के हमारे वैज्ञानिकों और पूरे अंतरिक्ष समुदाय को बधाई। आने वाले वर्षों में भारत के महत्वाकांक्षी अंतरिक्ष मिशन के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम यह है।
एक हाई पेइंग
Well, the Prime Minister, Mr. Sharma, I would, kindly request you to hold your thoughts because we have a big breaking news coming in. The Prime Minister has tweeted about this historic milestone. Let me read out the social media post put out by the Prime Minister. He says, congratulations to our scientists at ISRO and the entire space fraternity for the successful demonstration of space docking of satellites. It's a significant stepping stone for India's ambitious space missions in the years to come. He has also said that this is very, very important as far as ISRO's future missions are concerned. Coming back to you, Mr. Sharma, you were speaking about artificial intelligence and automation in this particular mission. How important are they? Because once the satellites, leave the orbit, establishing a communication between the spacecraft as well as the ISRO headquarters is very, very difficult, and sometimes the communication loss could happen. So during those times, how does artificial intelligence's role come into play?
This particular satellite system we will take. This is SPADEX satellite systems, SPADEX 1 and SPADEX 2, which are in 550-kilometer orbit. In this orbit, the visibility over the Indian ground stations, is only for 20 minutes. Okay. Beyond that, there is no visibility. We occurred as non-visible period. Therefore, during non-visible period, if ever we have two satellites in the
ISRO adds another milestone in its kitty. Successfully docks SPADEX satellites in space. ISRO's SPADEX mission successful. 2 Indian satellites dock in space. India becomes 4th country to successfully dock satellites in space. PM Modi showers praise on ISRO. Congratulates ISRO scientists and the entire team. The Indian Space Agency has added another milestone in its kitty by successfully docking the 2 satellites in a single object. With this, India has become the only 4th country to have achieved this feat. ISRO succeeded in docking or mating 2 Indian satellites in space on 16th January morning. This is part of the Space Docking Experiment or SPADEX. This was the 4th attempt when Indian scientists finally hit bullseye. Docking is a very complex process and ISRO attempted it cautiously, doing several trials over a fortnight. India used the indigenously developed Bharatiya docking system to achieve this feat. Just before docking, the satellites moved closer to each other at a speed of 10 millimeters per second. ISRO succeeded in docking 2 Indian satellites in space orbiting at 475 kilometers above Earth. India becomes the 4th country after Russia, the USA and China to have successfully learned to dock. India launched the SPADEX mission on 30th December 2024 using the PSLV rocket. On 8th January, ISRO delayed its SPADEX for the second time, citing technical challenges during a crucial maneuver. The experiment, scheduled for 7th January and later rescheduled for 9th January, was postponed on 15th January after ISRO detected an unexpected drift between the 2 participating satellites during a critical phase. The SPADEX project is a groundbreaking initiative aimed at developing and demonstrating technologies essential for spacecraft rendezvous, docking, and undocking. It involves 2 small satellites that are designed to perform these complex maneuvers autonomously. Docking is an enabling technology for future missions like Chandrayaan-4 and Bharatiya Antariksh Station. In its explainer, ISRO emphasized the importance of this experiment, saying that SPADEX will serve as a milestone in advancing India's capabilities in space docking, a critical technology for future space missions including satellite servicing, space station operations, and interplanetary missions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to social media X and congratulated scientists at ISRO and the entire space fraternity for the successful demonstration of space docking of satellites. In a post, PM said that it is a significant stepping stone for India's ambitious space missions in the years to come.